And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
All right, man. How you been, man?
Oh, pretty good. Got 1612 back there. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I see y'all still able to keep the back seats of this thing.
These back doors are strapped shut.
It won't stay closed.
They just keep ripping, man.
Yeah, it's part of it, ain't it? Y'all losing windshields today.
Yeah, that bolo, man.
Yeah.
You want some highs, lows, a little
We
bit?
got some lows. We got a little bit of wind.
Mona Lisa.
Thank you for calling 1-800-RUST-NUT hotline, making better beats for wetter seats.
I got a story to tell, you know that I cherish these. Hope it ain't too many feelings.
Those are our wild 12s. They're the kind of entry level to our bigger subs. They're only 1,500 to 2,000 RMS.
That's it. That thing cutting up, man.
Flipping the shit out of them since 8 a.m. Oh yeah.
And they still working.
Yeah, man. You get the last one, bro.
Appreciate it, bro.
Appreciate you, man. Thanks for stopping by.
Man, audio way for the win.
Thanks, man.
Appreciate it, man.
Take care.
You too. You want to see? Oh, I gotta get it. I gotta get in one. Yeah, it's still
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.